Your spinach. Son.
Let's go.
Dad,
2,
don't count.
3,
Dad, don't count.
4,
Dad.
5. Get it in there. All the way. Put it in there and chew it. If you chew it, it's when it tastes good. Stop it. Stop it.
Kid.
Come on.
Eat it. Pull it off the fork and put it in your mouth.
You
and
have
chew it.
to. When you just stick it on there, you think it tastes funny. Stick it in there and chew, and it'll be fine. Go. Chew.
You got it. You got it.
You have it. Put it all the way in
Try.
there. Come on. There you go. Don't do that. Chew. Now chew. See?
It's good.
See? Keep chewing. See, it's better when you put it in your mouth and chew on it.
I like
You do?
Want another bite?
No, thank you.
Good job. See?
Way to go, buddy.
I like spinach.